Hi, myself Rupchan. We are a group of four artists came here for making painting in this 11th World Conference, the conference here. And we are the group of artists, Mr. Sunil Dutt Mamgen, Mr. Harshvardhan Arya, along with Dr. Sneha Naval. We came here by the government of India, and we are very enjoying here in the Mauritius, and people are very cooperative, and thanks a lot to Mauritius government as well as Indian government to give a platform, a very big platform here to represent Indian and world culture here. We are making here large paintings, 16 feet painting here, and we are very excited to have. And thank you so much again.